Hey guys, Frank Curzio here with another live video. Yes, I'm driving, it's live, so I'm going to make sure I keep safe here. But Tyler's video is a great separation. And in the past couple of weeks, we've seen an interesting trend because before that, with the coronavirus taking center stage, a lot of sectors have been moving up and down based on news around the coronavirus. For example, Moderna's news, phase 1 results today were great. You're seeing a lot of the more riskier names that would benefit if the economy opens up and we get a vaccine really surging today, like cruises, airlines, travel stocks, things like that. And when you're seeing places close, you're seeing those names get nailed. But it's moving up and down on a sector basis. In the past couple of weeks, I've seen something interesting, and I'm calling it that great separation. Because let's take banks, for instance. Wells Fargo was horrible, probably going to cut their dividends significantly. Yet Goldman Sachs blew the numbers out of the water, and those numbers are going to be great probably for the next 4 to 6 quarters because Goldman is linked to liquidity and volatility, where most of the banks are linked to low interest rates, which are bad for the net interest margins and also to the consumer. Goldman Sachs, being levered to its increase in trading revenues, M&A, and things like that, that stock's going to soar as long as to it, right? It's, you can hate Goldman Sachs, you can hold up a sign, I don't care what you do. I suggest buying the stock. It's going to go a lot higher because those earnings are going to be strong for a while. Her organizing bankruptcy and still operating, but it's a different company now since May. And, the rental car industry is a huge industry. Hertz, which is going to be a different company. But think about a year from now. The reason why this is important, this video, sorry to take a little long, I like to keep these to like 2-3 minutes, is you want to position yourself in the stocks within these sectors because you're starting to see separation when not the entire sector is going up, but the names that are going to be reporting earnings season, which is going on right now and over the next 3-4 weeks, start paying attention to liquidity. Start paying attention. There's going to be differences in names. Why some of the banks went up and some of them went down. Goldman took off. Again, Delta separating themselves. The winners of this that can outlast the coronavirus risk, which saves another 12 months, these companies are going to explode because they're taking the competitors off the market that are going to fail, and you have the Fed just pumping liquidity into this market, which is not going to stop because Main Street's getting crushed, even though Wall Street's doing good. That trend's going to continue for a long time, which means the Fed pedal to the metal, trillions more coming. Start looking at names when it comes to cruises, when it comes to travel stocks, airlines, banks. Instead of buying the sector and the ETF, which have been moving up and down together, I'm starting to see separations, more of a stock picker's market, and we've been able to take advantage of that in our newsletters. So questions, comments, frankcurzioresearch.com. As always, I'll put back to you guys soon. Take care.